Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about quadratic equation by completing the square. So when you are solving quadratic equation by completing the square, it's very simple. There are things that you should know that a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. When we say it is a perfect square, it means it is bracket x plus b over 2a bracket square. Because a perfect square 4ac minus b square is equals to 0. All these will lead to 0. Let us take a look into x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. We're going to solve this one by completing the square. So here is what we do when you're completing the square. We say x squared plus 5x equals to, we take this to the other side, becomes a positive 14. Once it becomes a positive 14, what happened? It means we add both sides by a plus 14. We add both sides by a plus 14. That's what we did. So the simplest way is just take this to the other side. Then now we need to add a constant on both sides. We need to add a constant. Where a constant in perfect square, constant is nothing but a bracket of b over 2a square. That's the constant. So when you look into your quadratic equation, you see that a is 1, b is 5, and c is equals to minus 14. So if that is the case now, you focus on the value of the constant that you want to add both sides. So you get nothing but 5 over 2 times 1 square. So if that is the case, it means you are going to get 25 over 4 in this case. So if you get 25 over 4, it means x squared plus 5x plus 25 over 4 is equals to 14 plus 25 over 4. Then we have to do like everybody else do when they are solving fractions. So here x squared plus 5x plus 25 over 4 is equals to, the denominator is nothing but 4. Then here it will be 1. 14 times 4, 56 plus 25. So x squared plus 5x plus 25 over 4 is equals to 25 plus the 26. You get nothing but 81 over 4. After getting 81 over 4, remember ax squared plus bx plus c, it is a perfect square of x plus b over 2a bracket square. So instead of writing all this, since we are saying it's a perfect square, why don't we just write a plus b over 2a bracket square is equals to 81 over 4. X bracket, of course, plus b, which is 5 over 2 times a bracket square is equals to 81 over 4. So here we get x plus 5 over 2 bracket square is equals to 81 over 4. So what we do when we say by completing the square, it means x plus 5 over 2. We multiply both sides by a half. So we get plus or minus square root of 81 over 4. So x is equals to minus 5 over 2 plus or minus, I take this to the other side, plus or minus 81 root is 9, square root of 4 is 2. So the bottom line will be x is equals to minus 5 plus 9 all over 2, all minus 5 minus 9 all over 2. So I do for the plus or for the minus. The LCM here is nothing but 2. So by the end of the day, x will be equals to 4 over 2 or minus 14 over 2. X, after simplifying, x is equals to 2 or minus 7. I want you to solve x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. I want you to solve by completing the square.